If you want to import media for working on them on Camtasia, it's very easy. You can go to the media here. If it's closed, you can click and open it. Very simple. You can click on import media and import anything like here. You can see AVI, MP4, all of the format that you can insert, it's there. See them, image format. It accepts all of the image, snag it. All of the audio important file, all of the video files, nice, and presentation files. Interesting. So this is my project file in my computer, and you can insert image, audio, for example, this audio, this video, this green screen, and this image. So you can see we have three kind of more media, more important media: images in your work, audios, music, and videos. Okay, that's all. And you can close, select them and click open. And from here, this is media bin. It's very important, interesting. You can sort it by type, you can sort it by name. By type is better because you can see the video part here, image part here, and audio part here. Another method for importing them is here. You can click on this and import. Another method is you can make it, undock it and make it smaller, and click on drag and drop, for example, your image, anything, directly on media bin. This is another way to importing that. You can sort by ascending and descending. This you can see by A, B, C, D, or video, audio. I think it's the base of alphabet. So type of size, date, dimensions, and for seeing them, you can click in here. You can see them something like this. This is, you can see them in this way, or in this way. I prefer this because I collect my file by name and you can see them. And after that, you can simply drag and drop your media in timeline and work on them. I will show you step by step. So that's it. In this media, we have other tab that are the assets of Camtasia that you have to be online to see them.